Okay, everyone, we're going to do a tutorial here, try to keep this under 5 minutes. What you're looking at is a PowerPoint template for some marketing pieces. And the whole point of this is for you to take your listings, customize them how you see fit, export them out to a JPEG, and post those onto your Facebook page. And obviously, too, with a JPEG, you can go to Instagram or tweet that out. So number one, we're just going to go real quick through the headings. Coming soon, just listed, sold, price improvement, must see, back on the market, open house, and under contract. And right now I'm just going to show you some of the pieces involved in the PowerPoint slide. And the reason we chose PowerPoint to do this is because it's extremely simple to use, very versatile, easy to customize, and you have your call to action here, address for the house. Up here in this example, we actually dropped in 5-bed, 3-bath, price. You're welcome to customize this with whatever you want. Depending on the photo you choose, you may want your call to action in a corner. Just keep in mind that if you start to move stuff around, always pay attention to, you want to keep things nice and centered and clean. And PowerPoint, once again, is very easy to work with as far as moving text boxes around. The one thing we ask you do not do is to move these blue bars. This is part of the consistent look that we're trying to get out of these posts. So please don't move the top blue bar or the bottom, and do not move the Sellstate logo. Pertaining to the logo, the S is by itself, the word Sellstate is by itself. The reason why we broke that up is so that each individual office can use the same template to put the name of their office in there. Then you can put your office website. If you're an agent, you could put your address right there, customize your name. It is in its own text box, as well as your phone number, and probably no need to change the for more information call line right there. So you'd pull your photo off of MLS, or a photo that maybe you went out to take of the house. If it is a coming soon listing, maybe you want to get a jump on it and get your post out there. You'll just simply drop that photo in if you need to, and that photo's on top of all your text. You would just go to send to back, and it would put that picture into the back. And that's it. I mean, once you're done, you will export out and highlight. Let's say you have all 8 up in PowerPoint, but you only want to pull out the coming soon. You'll just go ahead and export out. A dialog box will then come up. You will need to pick the format. I suggest JPEG, very, very standard format. And it's asking us, do we want to save every slide or just the current slide? And obviously, we're only working with one slide that we need a graphic for, so we'll do that. And the size you should have in there is 1200 pixels by 900 pixels. So the thing is, PowerPoint will proportionally kind of play around with these a little bit, so just go ahead and type 1200. The 899 is close enough. We're going to go ahead and throw that on our desktop. And then at that point, we now have a graphic to post. Put some descriptive text in your Facebook post, maybe some hashtags. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.